People are making thousands selling simple digital products online, but almost no one tells you how to start from scratch. Let's fix that. Everyone's talking about making money selling digital products, but no one shows you how to actually start from zero with no audience, no tech skills, and no experience. That's exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to show you step by step how to create your first digital product using AI and launch your own store without hiring anyone or spending months figuring it out. No fluff, no overwhelm, just a clear path. Pick your product, create it fast, package it like a pro, and get your store live starting today. By the end of this video, you'll have a real product, a real store, and a real plan to start making money online. So grab a notepad or screenshot the parts you need, and let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing your digital product. Alright, first things first, we need to decide what digital product you're going to create and sell. If you already have an idea, that's awesome. If not, don't worry, you don't need to invent something crazy or groundbreaking. The smartest move is to create something people are already buying every single day. Let me show you a few proven examples. You can make simple clip art bundles, which bloggers and small business owners love, or printable coloring worksheets, super popular with parents and teachers. Or even puzzle sheets like word searches and crosswords, they sell all year round. Other easy wins? Printable party games for birthdays and events, or beautifully designed wall art people can download and print at home. These products might sound simple, but they sell. In fact, some creators on Etsy are earning over $100,000 a year selling just one type of product. And if you want even more ideas, I've got you covered. I made a video called 5 digital products you can create and sell using AI. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out after this. Still feeling stuck on what to pick? No problem. Let's get a little help from ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 5 profitable digital product ideas I can easily create and sell online." In a few seconds, you'll have clear, actionable ideas you can start working on today. Step 2. Create your product using AI. Now that you've picked your product, it's time to bring it to life. And here's the good news. You don't need any fancy skills or expensive software. We're going to use free AI tools to make your product fast. You'll mainly need 2 things: ChatGPT to generate ideas and product descriptions, and an AI image generator like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or DALL to create your visuals. Let's break it down. Say you picked coloring worksheets, one of the best-selling digital products on Etsy. There's a shop called Coco Wayo Coloring that made over $180,000 just from simple coloring pages. Here's how you can create yours in minutes. First, open ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me a prompt to create a simple black and white coloring page of a cute panda for preschool kids." In seconds, ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use prompt. Next, copy that prompt and paste it into your favorite AI image generator. Within a few clicks, you'll have a professional-looking coloring page ready to go. And you can repeat the same steps for anything: clip art, puzzles, party games, wall art, whatever you choose. Quick tip: when you download your images, always grab them in high-res PNG or PDF. It'll make your product look way sharper, and that's what customers notice first. If you need to tweak the background or clean up a design a little, tools like remove.bg or Canva can do it in seconds, and they're free. And just like that, your first product is done. Step 3. Package your product like a pro. Alright, your product's ready. Now let's make it look amazing. Because here's the truth, people buy with their eyes first. If your product looks high quality, professional, and clean, you'll win more clicks, more trust, and more sales. And the good news? You don't need to be a designer to do this. All you need is a simple mockup. Instead of just showing your coloring page or wall art flat, use a tool like SmartMockups or Canva to place it into a real-life scene, like a worksheet neatly placed on a desk or wall art beautifully framed on a wall. Here's how easy it is. Just head over to SmartMockups, pick a mockup style, like a frame or a printed image, and upload your image. It's free, it's fast, and it instantly makes your product look 10 times more valuable. And that one small step, it can seriously boost your sales, because at the end of the day, great visuals make people trust, click, and buy. Step 4. Build your online store. Alright, your product's ready, it looks professional. Now let's get your store live, and don't worry, you don't need to hire a developer or touch a single line of code. Today, building your own store is as easy as dragging and dropping. You've got tons of options. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, and even Canva websites make it crazy simple. But here's the part that really matters: your domain name. Most beginners grab some random .com that's long and forgettable. You're smarter than that. You want your store to actually stand out and instantly tell people you're a store. Grab a .store domain. And this isn't just marketing talk. Studies show that websites with a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google just because customers immediately trust what they're clicking on. That's why brands like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, even Emirates Airlines all use .store for their online businesses. And right now you can grab yours for just 99 cents using the code Rahat at checkout. I've dropped the link below for you. Plus, you'll also unlock access to Elevate.store, a premium toolkit loaded with discounts and resources to help you launch even faster. So within a few clicks, you'll have your brand name locked in, your store builder set up, and your online business open for the world. Let's go. Final step, promoting your store. All right, your store's live, your products are ready. Now it's time to get people to actually find you and buy. And good news, it's way easier than you probably think. Start by sharing your store wherever you already hang out online: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever you're active. You don't need a massive audience. Even just a few posts showing off your product mock-ups can lead to your first sales. Want to go a step further? Create quick content around your products, like a short video showing how they work or a simple post explaining why they're valuable. Canva makes it ridiculously easy to create eye-catching stuff fast. And here's the key: pay attention to what's working. Check your store analytics, see where the traffic's coming from, and double down on whatever brings results. Because every time you promote your products, you're not just making sales, you're building your brand, growing your audience, and stacking your long-term success. And the best part, since you own your store and your domain, every visitor is helping you build your business, not someone else's. Let's make it happen. And that's a wrap. Now you've got everything you need, from picking your product, to creating it with AI, to launching your own online store and making your first sales. Now it's your turn. Pick your product, follow the steps we covered, and just get started. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for it to be perfect. The sooner you start, the faster you'll learn and the faster you'll grow. Drop a comment below and tell me, what product are you launching first? I'd love to hear what you're working on. And if you don't have a product idea yet, no worries. I made a full video showing 5 of the most profitable digital products you can create with AI. I'll leave a link for you in the description. Make sure to check it out after this. And one last thing, if you haven't grabbed your .store domain yet, check the link below. It's just 99 cents right now, and it's the easiest step to make your brand feel real. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.